I will be using this gorgeous runner that I bought recently from HomeSense to create a beautiful snowflake theme tablescape for Christmas, and also you can use it for New Year. I did a DIY on this napkin using my Cricut machine, and I will be also using this gorgeous crystal kickstand that I bought from HomeSense. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your Sunday with your loved ones. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shule, and I hope you like what you see and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I'm so excited today as I'm participating on a challenge by Kimberly Davis, and it's called Family Traditions and Christmas Tablescape 2021. Both Kimberly's channel link as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. And Kimberly, thank you so much for another great challenge. These plates are from Glam and I bought them last year. They were $2.99 each, and the placemats are from Poundland, again last year. These glass wreaths are from the Range store. I bought it a few years ago and I will be using as a napkin ring. I really like to be creative with my napkin rings, and since there's a writing that I didn't want to cover, so I placed the napkin underneath the plates. These super glam rhinestone glasses are from HomeSense, and it will go perfectly with my tablescape, and I will be using this beaded garland, and it's from the Range store. Let's talk about the family traditions. We've been living in UK over 30 years, and usually we don't celebrate Christmas, but in this country we celebrate it as a family day. I always cook a special meal. Usually my son's choice should I say, would be leg of lamb, roasted one, and vegetables as well, roasted vegetables, and I cook plenty of Turkish mezes to go with it. After early dinner we usually watch a Christmas movie as a family. I'm originally from Turkey, so we don't exchange gifts on Christmas Day. We do exchange them instead in New Year's Eve at midnight. And in Turkey, traditional meal for the New Year's Eve dinner is turkey. And we call turkey hindi in Turkish. I will be placing this gorgeous wreath that is from HomeSense on top of the cake stand. Mercury glass trees are from Poundland. Now I'm going to be placing some color coordinating whites and silvers, mainly baubles underneath. I will be using this gorgeous mask as a centerpiece. And here is style number 1.
Lit a fire and looked down on the avenue. I just love the way you you carry the crown. It's just me and you tonight, and I'm all yours. We'll be in our happy place. This December will be the best, I'm pretty sure. And I am truly yours in every way. So hold me now, it's Christmas time. Bring joy to people in this town. In this way we make the world go round. In December I just let the peace take over, that is what I want. I'm just a few blocks from you now, a water drive, and the snow keeps falling down. Let this Christmas be the best we've ever had. Under a starlit sky, we'll walk around.
And this one is style number 1A, using the reindeer instead of the ice queen. And here is style number 2 with some colors.
This December will be